You want crispy wings and perfect fluffy rice, but your kitchen counter is completely out of space? Well, I found the exact machines that can actually do both without ruining your dinner. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one deserves a spot in your home, including a #1 pick that completely shocked me when I tasted the results. 5. Ninja Combi All-in-One Multicooker. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was pretty impressed by the design. It looks more like a mini oven than a traditional multicooker, which gives you front access to your food. You know, that is actually pretty handy when you're trying to slide a baking pan in and out without burning your wrists. The build quality feels solid, and it definitely promises to replace about 14 different appliances in your kitchen. The air frying function is decent because of the wide tray. You get a lot of surface area for your chicken nuggets or veggies to spread out. They get nice and crispy on the top. The problem is that the heat source is entirely top down, so if you flip your food, you'll notice the bottom stays a bit soft. It works, but it's not the magical, even crisping you get from a dedicated basket-style fryer. Then we get to the rice cooking, and this is where things start to fall apart for me. The Ninja Combi uses a bake function combined with steam to cook rice, rather than a sealed pressure or traditional boiling method. Well, the result is just okay. I found that my jasmine rice came out slightly dry on the edges and mushy in the center. It simply does not have the proper sealed environment to let the grains absorb water evenly. Another thing you really need to consider is the sheer footprint of this machine. I mean, it's basically the size of a microwave. 4. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1. Everyone knows Instant Pot. They absolutely dominate the pressure cooking space, and for good reason. The build is sturdy, and the classic stainless steel inner pot is basically indestructible. When you use this thing just for pressure cooking or making rice, it performs exactly how you would expect an Instant Pot to perform. The rice cooking aspect is actually fantastic. Because it uses pressure, it forces the moisture right into the grains incredibly fast. I made a batch of brown rice that normally takes an hour on the stove, and it was perfectly tender in about 20 minutes. If you want a device that excels at wet cooking methods, like stews and grains, this machine really flexes its muscles and shows why the brand is so popular. It uses a separate heavy air fryer lid that you have to swap out. And you know, it creates a really frustrating cooking experience. Because the pot is so deep and narrow, all your food just sits at the bottom of a metal cave. The airflow cannot circulate around the food. My French fries were burnt on the top layer and completely soggy underneath. You also have to physically reach down into this hot, deep pot to shake your food or pull it out. I mean, it is genuinely awkward, and I burned my knuckle twice trying to grab a piece of chicken. Plus, you now have a massive, heavy, hot lid sitting on your counter while you try to serve your food. 3. Ninja Speedi Rapid Cooker and Air Fryer. This is where the engineering starts to actually make sense for a combo device. Instead of a deep pot or wide oven, Ninja went with a square, deep basket design. It looks a bit modern and maybe even a little strange on the counter, but the shape is actually the secret to why this machine works so well. The standout feature here is what they call Speedi meals. Let me explain how cool this is. You can put your dry rice and water in the very bottom of the pot. Then you drop down a little metal rack right over the water and place your raw chicken or salmon on top. You flip the smart switch on the lid, and it literally steams the rice perfectly while simultaneously air frying the meat on top. It is actually wild to watch it work. The air frying performance is a massive step up from the Instant Pot. Because the heating element and fan are incredibly powerful, it pushes that hot air all the way down and around the square basket. I made a batch of sweet potato fries, and they came out blistered and crispy in about 15 minutes without me having to constantly babysit or shake the basket. Now, the rice does cook a little differently here than in a pressure cooker. It uses steam, so the texture is a bit more al dente. If you prefer super sticky, soft rice, it might take some trial and error with your water ratios. Tefal Turbo Cuisine and Fry. This machine is a masterpiece of design, and it honestly feels like a premium piece of kitchen equipment the second you take it out of the box. Tefal took a completely different approach here. Instead of a flat bottom pot, they designed a proprietary spherical bowl. You know, that spherical shape is a total game changer for making rice. In a flat pot, the heat just sits at the bottom, but the rounded edges of the Tefal bowl force the boiling water and steam to circulate in a continuous loop. It perfectly mimics the traditional wood-fired rice cooking pots used in Asia. I tested sushi rice in this, and the grains were glossy, separate, and cooked perfectly evenly from the bottom all the way to the top. Then you swap to the air fryer lid and things get even better. Unlike the narrow Instant Pot, the Tefal bowl is wider and shallower. The hot air actually has room to move. I tossed in some frozen chicken wings, and the crisp factor was honestly rivaling my dedicated standalone air fryer. The fan is surprisingly quiet too, which is a nice bonus when you're hanging out in the kitchen. I also really appreciate how incredibly easy this is to clean. The non-stick coating on that spherical bowl is seriously impressive. I let some cheese burn onto the bottom just to see what would happen, and it literally wiped out with a single paper towel. Nuwave Duet Air Fryer Electric Pressure Cooker and Grill Combo. This machine completely blew my expectations out of the water. When I first saw it, I thought it was just another Instant Pot clone, but Nuwave actually addressed every single problem that the other dual-lid cookers suffer from, and then they added a grill feature just to show off. Here's what matters most. Nuwave gives you a removable air fryer basket that actually fits inside the pressure cooker pot properly. You don't have to dig into a deep, dark cave to get your food. You just lift the basket out by the handle exactly like a normal air fryer. It gives you the convenience of a pull-out basket with the power of a pressure cooker in one base unit. For rice and grains, the pressure cooking lid locks in moisture and cooks perfectly fluffy rice in minutes. I threw in a wild rice blend that usually takes over an hour and a ton of babysitting. The Nuwave handled it flawlessly. The interface is also brilliantly simple. You just press the rice button and walk away. No weird dials or confusing submenus to navigate. But the absolute best part is how it transitions to dry cooking. You swap the lid and suddenly you have a powerhouse air fryer that can actually sear. It gets hotter than most of its competitors. I threw a steak in there using the grill plate accessory, and it actually developed a crust. That's all for today, folks.